Saturday morning. So Rob and I are heading to the gym, and it's 5 a.m. I'm tired. He woke me up out of my sleep at 12 o'clock at night, just freaking out because he thinks there's a ghost in our house. So I'm gonna let Rob tell y'all the story, but he's a hot mess. So I'm tired. We're about to go to the gym. I don't know how long he's gonna be there. I want him to show me how to use the weights, how to properly use weights, yeah, so that next week, because next week will be my second week going, so I want him to show me how to use the weights so I can do it on my own, because he only goes on the weekend. I go during the week. So yeah, he's gonna train me on weights, and I can't wait to get some muscle definition in these arms, like, you know, get some lean muscles. But anyways, he's gonna drink coffee, and somebody needs to get Rob. I'm tired of him. I'm so tired of him. I'm gonna go brush my hair and come back. So we're on our way to the gym. I asked Rob, I said, what if I accidentally drop this ugly ahead on the left mug? Like if I accidentally drop it, just would you be mad?
Yes.
I'm not gonna drop it.
No. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will.
Okay, guys, so we're done with the gym, and it's still dark out, so we're gonna go home now, and he's gonna eat breakfast. I'm not. I eat at 12. We're at Martin's, and they have vegan meat now. I didn't know they catered for vegans. Rob, come on. What's your little $10? Do we need toilet paper?
No. Did you guys have breakfast already?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That guy's still sleeping.
Yes.
Hi.
Hey, Mama. You're up early.
Saturday.
They sleep down here on the weekends. Maddie, you want to say hello to Sunshine?
Yeah. Hello.
What? Oh, so this is what Rob.
Who dropped the vase?
This thing right here was sitting
last night?
right here, and it fell off and hit this vent thing, and Rob jumped up. What did you say, Rob, when you jumped up?
What did I say when I jumped up, Jordan?
What was that?
That scared you?
What did Daddy say when he jumped up last night? We gotta go. He woke up everybody.
Yeah,
Trying to get them out the house.
I'm gonna say, oh shit, let's go.
He thought something hit the house. That's right, Rob. Always in protection mode, even in your sleep.
I said, oh shit, let's go.
Yeah, Daddy was trying to find your little butt.
They're looking at me like,
Daddy couldn't find you. Where were you last night? Huh? Where were you? Where were you hiding? Huh? Huh? Where were you hiding last night? Daddy couldn't find you, huh? 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 I love you.
yeah. Who said? I said. We were just talking about that in the car with your mother. That you got a brand new tablet upstairs that you can't get back
What you
because your
cooking
grades.
us for breakfast?
Us? Nothing. Me? A little chorizo, a little egg, jalapeno, onions, and tomato. You don't eat breakfast.
You need to stop that. You're supposed to prepare me breakfast and leave it so that when I'm ready to eat, it's there.
What's your own shit? You don't eat breakfast? You don't get
One
breakfast.
of these days, I'm gonna beat your bottom for being so rude. You think you're a little chef up in here, don't you? Then fine. You don't eat breakfast. You don't eat dinners during the week. I ain't cooking.
You don't eat breakfast. I asked you. You said I don't eat breakfast.
Whatever. It's fine. I'll cook my own food. I don't need Rob. But these tights used to be tight, and now they're a little loose.
Why are the chairs?
They're a little loose. So I give it about, I say another 5 pounds before I need at least new pants. Shirts, they're okay, but pants, I'm gonna definitely need pants in the next 5 pounds that I lose. So that's good, but it's also bad because don't nobody want to buy no brand new wardrobe. Don't you guys wish that when you lose weight, your clothes automatically get smaller so that it fits you? That's my wish. That's what I hope for. But it's supposed to snow here today. So we're just going to be home and enjoy the snow day. And watch a lot of movies as a family. Right, Rob? Yeah, we're going to get down with the get down. Okay, stop. Rob put dinner on. And we're about to take these little ones to the urgent care because they have styes on their eye. Her and Jordan have a sty on their eye. So hers is not so visible, but it's still, his is getting out of control. So we're going to take them to go get seen. Let's go, Maddie.
Touch it and he's going to look at it. Okay? Okay. You going to do that? Yes, you going to do that? Okay, give me 5.
Let her do it again. Show her how she should do when the doctor comes.
Okay, when the doctor comes in, what are you going to do? Close your eyes? Okay.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. We practice. Okay, he's going to go like this, and he's going to touch your eye right here. And then he's going to say, all right, you can open your eyes now. See? Okay?
Are you going to cry?
Are you going to cry, or are you going to be a big girl? You're going to be a big girl?
Big girl? Jordan went to go get a physical, so he's not here right now. Okay, correction. He went to go get his hearing and vision.
Should check you for speech.
They should check you for your manhood. You're gonna be okay? Yeah. Yeah? Daddy prepped you? Yeah? Daddy.
Are you gonna sign up for the free training?
What free training?
That behind fitness?
Yeah, probably. Joy, come here. Let me see your eye. So we're done with this guy. We got a bacitracin something for his eye.
That's a big lump. Wow.
Yeah, they both got bacitracin for their eye. So the one CVS pharmacy that we went to, they're out. So now we have to go to another CVS pharmacy. It's raining ice right now. So there's ice all over the car. It was supposed to snow, but there's no snow action going on here. So hopefully this rain ice stop, because I don't like. My face is breaking out. So we're back in the house now. They gave them antibiotics for their eye. Rob is cooking. Maddie's sleeping. Rob is finished. Oh, you had to take them out and cook them?
Yeah, boil them.
Boil them. You got pee-pee? No? Okay. So they gave us these little ointment thing for their eyes, and I put it on Destiny and Jordan. Even though she didn't go, she has a sty. Oh, and I have to put hers on. She just woke up. It's 3:40. No snow yet. Just rain. Just been raining. Hold on. So, it's just like this. So he said to put it on there, and he was like, is it this one? No, it's this one. Just apply it to the lid. And he's like, if it gets in her eye, it's totally fine. It's totally fine if it gets in her eye. But he said this should take care of it. Where's the cover? So we went through a lot to get these, because the first one that they sent over, their insurance didn't cover that one, so we had to go back and have them send in another one that the insurance would pay for. Oh, it took 2 hours just to get their prescription, and it took 2 hours for them to be seen, so it was like a total of 4 hours spent. Oh. But as long as they go away and they don't get any bigger. Jordan is really big, so I'm gonna go eat and then edit, and probably this is gonna be it for today's vlog, but at least I did vlog a little bit and gave you guys some content. And we did get to go to the gym, even though it feels like we've been up since forever, even though we have been up since forever. We're gonna wake up and do it again all over tomorrow, but except we don't have to take anybody to urgent care, right? Fingers crossed. So anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow, guys. Bye. Oh, I should show you guys what Rob's making for dinner. Let me show you guys what Rob's making for dinner. Okay, so Rob cooked yuca, even though it looks hard as all get out. And what's this? This is rice. And then he did, what's in the crock pot, honey? Open. Chicken. Looks so good. Okay, folks. Oh, dinner's done. Kids are fed. Just need to clean up back the kitchen. And video is done editing. I just realized I didn't have a proper ending for the video, so I figured I'll hop back on here and tell you guys good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and please share. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.